Bear's Magical Storybook.
Hello, my dear friends. I'm so glad to see you all today. I've got a fun story to share with you about an amazing visit to the zoo. I think you'll all enjoy it.
Yay! We love your stories, Benji.
I thought you would. So, once upon a time, there was a little boy named Timmy. Timmy loved animals, just like all of you. One sunny morning, Timmy and his parents decided to visit the zoo for the very first time. Timmy was so excited he could hardly wait.
What did Timmy see first at the zoo?
Well, the first thing Timmy saw was a big, friendly elephant. The elephant was splashing water on itself with its trunk. Timmy waved and the elephant waved back with its trunk. Timmy laughed so hard. He had never seen such a big animal up close before.
That sounds like so much fun!
It sure was. Next, Timmy went to see the tall giraffes. They were nibbling on leaves from the tops of the trees. Timmy's eyes went wide. He couldn't believe how long their necks were. One giraffe bent down low, and Timmy got to feed it some leaves. It was like meeting a gentle giant.
I bet Timmy made lots of new animal friends at the zoo.
Oh, definitely. Timmy visited the monkeys next. They were swinging from branch to branch, making funny faces and noises. One little monkey even threw Timmy a banana peel. Timmy giggled and said, "These monkeys sure know how to have fun."
Monkeys are so playful.
They really are. Then Timmy saw the lions. They were resting in the sun, looking so powerful and calm. Timmy watched in awe as one lion let out a huge roar. It was so loud that Timmy jumped a little, but then he smiled and said, "Wow, lions are really the kings of the jungle."
That must have been amazing to hear.
It sure was. As the day at the zoo went on, Timmy saw zebras with their beautiful stripes, penguins waddling around, and even a sleepy koala hanging in a tree. But the best part of Timmy's visit came at the end of the day.
What was the best part, Benji?
At the end of the visit, Timmy got to meet a baby kangaroo. The little kangaroo peeked out of its mama's pouch and hopped right up to Timmy. They had a little staring contest, and then the baby kangaroo gave Timmy a soft nudge with its nose. Timmy laughed and said, "I'll never forget today. It's the best day ever."
Sounds like Timmy had an amazing adventure.
He really did. Timmy left the zoo with so many happy memories, and he promised to come back again to visit all his new animal friends. That day, Timmy learned how wonderful animals are, and how fun it is to explore and appreciate the beauty of nature.
What a wonderful story, Benji.
Thank you, my friends. Remember, animals can teach us so much, and every adventure with them is special. Now let's all enjoy the rest of this lovely day together. Please like, subscribe, and share with all the kids.